Hi, I'm Franz, and this is Movavi. And let's see today how to flip our clip or its part in Movavi. Okay, so this is our clip. Caterpillar is moving from right to left, and let's go to Effects, and here we have to find filters. They are chosen, all filters, and here let's type flip. Okay, so we have three possibilities: to flip from left to right, to flip from up to down, and to flip in both directions, from left to right and up down. Okay, let us use this one. I did left click on it and drag and dropping it and releasing my mouse. You see, now Caterpillar is moving from left to right. Okay, but what if I'll do Ctrl Z if I want to use it just for part of my videos? In order to do it, let's choose this part. So I'm cutting my video into two parts, and I want to use it for this part only. If I'll do it directly, it doesn't work. You see, both parts are flipped. So Ctrl Z, I will select the second part which I don't want to change and move it to another track. Okay, now what I will do with the first one will be for this part only. So flip like this, for example, left to right and upside down. See? This part is like that, but the second one is okay. I can move it down now. You see, okay, that's it. Thank you, bye.